From theory to reality, building a vision AI app with Streamlit and Gemini. Hello and welcome to Techie Talks AI channel. Have you ever felt that seeing a concept in action is 1,000 times more enlightening than just reading about it? That is exactly what we are doing today. We are moving beyond the theoretical and driving straight into a hands-on project that you can see, interact with, and build yourself. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of Vision AI by building a real-time interactive web application using Streamlit and Google's powerful Gemini models and other models too. Forget dry documentation and abstract diagrams. We are going to bring AI to life right here on this screen. By the end of this tutorial, you will not only understand how to integrate cutting-edge AI into a user-friendly interface, but also have a fully functional app to show for it. And don't worry about frantically scribbling notes. I'll provide a link to all the code in the video description below. So are you ready to build something amazing? Let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let's get a quick tour of what we are building. This is a Vision AI application that can analyze images and answer your questions about them. You can upload a picture and your AI assistant powered by Gemini and other models will provide detailed descriptions, identify objects, and even answer nuanced questions about the scene. For example, here I have uploaded a Golden Gate Bridge. I just dragged and dropped it here. After that, we just need to click the Analyze Image button and you get this analysis output. Okay, so visual analysis, text content if any, scene description. It has identified Golden Gate Bridge. Of course, it is a prominent bridge, but you can try with other images as well. Then we have some predefined questions. Like clicking this button, it'll ask you what are the main objects. Here it says Golden Gate Bridge, vehicles, body of water, hills, and urban area. Next, is there any text to read? Describe the colors and mood. So colors, red, orange, blue, and earth tones. Okay, and the interesting thing is, the sessions are all saved here and you can rename the session so that you can give it a contextual name. If you're a medical student, the images that you're analyzing, you can put it here and name those sessions. Then you can also export the conversation into a markdown format. So here is the conversation that has been exported into markdown format. Analysis. And user questions, what are the main objects, describe the colors and mood. So this will become a very handy reference note as well about the image. And on the top, you can add all your models that you have access to. It can be free, locally running Llama as well. Before we get into the code, let's look at the technology stack. Let's quickly talk about the key technologies that make this project possible. Of course, Python, the backbone of our application. It's versatile, easy to read, and has a massive ecosystem of libraries for AI and web development. Then Streamlit. This is what allows us to create beautiful web interface with just a few lines of Python. No HTML, CSS, or JavaScript required. It is perfect for data scientists and developers who want to build and share applications quickly. Then the large language model. In this case, we are using Gemini. So this is the star of the show where we are using Gemini Vision model, a state-of-the-art AI that can understand both text and images. That is what gives our app its sight and intelligence. All right, it's time to get our hands dirty with the code. I will walk you through the main files, app.py, and explain each part step by step. Let's first look at the agents.py, which handles the communication to the large language model. here line 1 to 7 are the imports of the libraries needed. Then we are defining a database. Here we are using PostgreSQL database. I'm already running this as a container. The command to run will also be there in the link that we are sharing. You just need to run a Docker container, and the username, password, and the database name are entered here itself. If you see Docker PS, you will notice that the PG vector database is running already. This is where we load the API keys from the hidden.env file. You will need to place your API key there. And then here we have an extraction prompt. Analyze this image. You can adapt this prompt to suit your specific use case. And then this get vision agent instantiates the agent and returns the agent object, which is used by the app.py. So our database, here the Postgre database URL is passed. So DB object is our database. So this DB object is passed as the parameter to DB to the Agno agent library. And get model with provider. This is where we pass the model that we select from the drop down. One thing you need to notice is this setting is important. When you make this setting, it maintains the conversation history and it saves it in the database. So these two are linked. Add history to context true if it's selected. You must provide a database. Okay, so it returns the agent. Now let's look at the app.py. So again, required libraries being imported, and Streamlit's page configuration is done this way: layout wide and initial sidebar state expanded, and page title and icon. Then every time we change the model, this restart agent gets called. It loads all the required variables in the session itself. So here we have a restart agent which initializes the agent, and on model change, this function gets called. Then here we have the main function. That is what runs every time an interaction happens in the Streamlit web application. So sidebar containing the models, then the analysis mode, we have auto, manual, hybrid, and the help automatic comprehensive image analysis, manual analysis based on your specific instructions, hybrid, automatic analysis plus your custom instructions. So all these mechanisms can be selected from the UI itself. So here we have the UI selection. Then we have enable web search. We are using DuckDuckGo search tool to enhance the LLM with the power to search the web. This is the checkbox to enable web search. And then chat input, ask me anything. This is the text box where we type our questions. And this is the upload widget of Streamlit, sidebar.file_uploader. So if you see this file_uploader will bring up this widget. Okay. Here it checks the session to get the current image. And these are the buttons for sample questions. So here we have 3 sample questions. Display chat messages is the Agno Utils Streamlit library to make it easy for us to handle the chat interface. So here the response returned from the LLM is handled. So vision agent is where the agent object is saved, and that is where we call the get vision agent from the agents.py file. return get vision agent, where we pass the model and the settings. Okay, get vision agent. So vision agent object gets initialized here. It calls the get vision with settings and it returns. So vision agent has the current agent ready to be called. And this vision agent dot run is where the agent gets called with our question and the image. Our question is being passed with the role user. Okay, so then we have an about section at the bottom. Okay, so now understanding this code itself will give you the ability to build anything similar for your SaaS clients. So there you have it, a fully functional vision AI application built from scratch. We have seen how easy it is to create an interactive UI with Streamlit and how to tap the incredible power of the Google Gemini model. I hope this has shown you that building with AI isn't some far off complicated dream. It is accessible, it is practical, it is something you can start doing today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and don't forget to check out the code in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert NoCodeMake.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.